Hare Krishna. Welcome to my channel, Easy Programming by Venugopal. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to count and print factors of the given number using Python program. Let me start. So in the Visual Studio Code, I am creating a new file. So file name is factors.py. So what is our program? Let me write the question. Let's write here print and count number of factors of a given number. So first of all, factors means what? Suppose if I take an example, 5. Okay, what are the factors of 5? 1, 5 are the factors. Means 1 and 5, these two numbers divides the 5 successfully. Means the remainder is 0. That is why 1 and 5 are the factors for the 5. Same way, if I take here 10, for the 10, factors are 1, 2, 5, then 10. Okay, these are the factors because 1, 2, 5, 10 will divide this 10 successfully. Okay, means remainder is 0. So these are the factors for 10. Right. So let's write the code for this. So first of all, let's take an input from keyboard n equal to int of. Let's take an integer value here. So enter a number and then take a loop for I in range from where to where we have to give starting from 1. Suppose if you observe, say for the 5 factors, we are starting the factors from where 1 only, 1 to 5. For the 10, 1 to 10. That's why the range also 1 and till n. If you want to consider n, if you want to include the n, then n plus 1 you have to take here, right? So that it will take the range from 1 to n. Then here the condition. If first we'll print here, we'll try to print the factors. Later I will add the count also. Suppose here the condition is if given number n, we have to divide with each I. Okay, if this result is equal to 0, okay, if this result is equal to 0, then we have to print the I. I is a factor for n. That's it. So let me save and run this py factors.py. Enter the number. Say for example 10. See 1, 2, 5, 10 are the factors. Same way you can enter any number. Suppose here 20 I'll enter. See 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 are the factors. Let's enter the 5. So for the 5, 1 and 5 are the factors like this. Okay. Suppose if you want to count here, just we can take one variable count initially 0. Okay. So let's take this here count is 0. Okay. Then what I do here I will print then count also. Count equal to count plus 1, or we can take count to plus equal to 1 shortcut way, right? Then after that here let me write the message as well. Print of what you have to print here, total factors of which one given n is count. That's it. And above I will print the message as well, like factors. The factors of given number n are like this. Now see, let me save and run this program. Okay, so let's run this. Now see, this time if I enter 10, now see factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. Total factors of 10 is 4. Okay, in this way it will display. Let me explain this program step by step. So first of all, okay, let me take a small number 5. Okay, let me take here small number 5. So for the 5, factors are 1 and 5. Total factors are 2. Okay, right. Now let's take the input. Here input, for example, n is okay, let's take here. Okay, n is 5. Okay, so count initially 0. Okay, count initially 0. Then here loop for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1 means the I values are what here? I values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that it's going to repeat how many times? 5 times total. So now if n modulus I equal to 0, actually what we are doing in this means actually we are dividing the given number n from given number is what? 5, right? We are dividing from 1 to 5. And which number is dividing that number we are printing. At the same time we are counting also. So how it is working, let me explain to you. So first for loop I value is 1. For I value is 1. Okay, now we'll check the condition. If n modulus I equal to 0, okay, means n is what here? 5. 5 is fixed until termination of this loop, okay, or until completion of this program. So 5 is fixed here. So 5 modulus 1 equal to 0. So means we are dividing the given number 5 with 1. So 1 5 is 5. The remainder is 0. We know that modulus operator will return the 0. So 0 equal to 0. Condition is true. If condition is true. So true. That's why 1 will be printed. So output is what here? 1. You can observe in the bottom 1 has printed here. At the same time we are counting also. Count initially 0. Now this will become 1 now because the condition is true. Then next it will go back. This time I value is 2. So for I value is 2, again it will check the condition. Okay. So again it will divide. So 5, it will divide with what? 2. 2 2s are 4. Now this time remainder is 1. Okay, not 0. Means what happens here? 1 equal to 0 condition. 1 equal to 0 means what? It is false. So false means, so if statements will not execute. This if statement is having the two statements so that it will not execute here, but it will go back. Okay, it will go back. Next, this time 3. I value is 3. For I value 3, if condition. So we are dividing now 5 with what? 3. 3. So 3 ones are only, right? 3 ones are 3 ones are 3. Then remainder is 2. So remainder is 2. This result is what now? 2. So 2 equal to 0 means it is false again. 2 equal to 0 is false. So that it will not print, it will not count, but it will go back again. Okay, it will go back. Now again, I value is 4. Okay, I value is 4. Now for I value is 4, again, now here if condition, it will check if 5. Okay, if 5, so we are dividing with what? 4. 4 ones are 4. Okay, then the remainder is 1. So this result is what? N modulus I result is 1. 1 equal to 0 means false again. So that's why it will not print, it will not count, but it will go back. Now this time I value is 5. It's the last one. Okay, so because we given the N value is 5. So for I value is 5, condition it will check. So here we are dividing 5 with which one? 5 only. So 5 ones are 5. So remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Means n modulus I value is what here? 0. 0 equal to 0 is true. Now this time it will print and also count. See, now it is printed and counted. This time count value is 2. This time count value is 2. So range is exceeded. Okay, means we completed these I values so that it will exit from this for loop and it will print a total number of factors of n. N is what? 5. What is the count here? 2. That is what? Final output. Okay, right. In this way we can write the code, but actually it is very lengthy, right? Let me write this program in a short way. Short way. Okay, let's take an alternate way, or okay, let's take an input from keyboard n equal to same input of enter a number, enter a number. Okay, now so let's use list comprehension, right? Using the list comprehension we can do this. So that is for same code we are writing in short. For I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, then if n modulus I equal to 0, okay, n modulus I equal to 0, then we have to add this I value into the list. Okay, You have to add the I value into the list. And okay, let's print it like this. We can print directly. So right now it will print only the factors. We also will count later, no problem. Just let me check it now. Okay. So what is the meaning of this here? You know already the loop, right? Above, just above code only we are writing in short for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. And here it will take the every time I value and will check the condition. If condition is true, then only that I value will be appended or added to the list. Otherwise will not add. That's it. Now see, run it, save and run it. Now suppose if I take here 10, now see 1 to 5, 10, 1 to 5, 10 are the factors. Okay, right. So if you want to display the number of factors, means if you want to count it, how to do that? So just simply, just what you do one thing. I will store this result into one variable. Okay, just take like this, or let's take a variable factors equal to like this, factors equal to like this. Then let me print here. Okay, see here, let's print here factors. Okay, then factors are, let me write like this, factors are factors and total factors. Total factors, how to print here? There is a inbuilt function is there, len of factors. So factors means it is a list, right? List, right? Okay. There is a method, len method. Sorry, len function. Okay, len function is available in the list, right? So that len of factors. That's it. So it is going to count length. Length means number of elements in the list will be counted. So now let me save and run this. See, this time if I enter the 10, observe factors are 1, 2, 5, 10 and total factors are 4. Like that same way, you can also enter any number. Suppose 100 I will enter this time, 100. Okay. See, for the 100, these are the factors and total factors are 9 here. That's it. So in this way, we also can write the code in a short way in Python. Okay, right. So in this way, we can count and print the number of factors using Python coding. For more such videos and Python and Python full stack course, you can subscribe the channel, click on bell button for notifications. And if you like this video, click on like button and share this video to your friends as well. In the next video, I'll come with one more program. Hare Krishna.